Welcome everyone. If you can hear me alright, just say hi in the live chat section and let's kick our video for today. The market is recovering. We have a green day today and MULN is a bit red. Yesterday we have the market is red but MULN going up. We got a bit of rejection, that's why the price going down for MULN around the 47. We already did the chart analysis on our Patreon and we discussed this level of resistance, and of course we did live streaming watch list. So as you can, we got MULN first, then Tesla, then HKD, and of course we have other requested stock from Luis and the other Hunter on our Patreon. So let's start our video with MULN. What's going on? When the squeeze? And why the price got rejected around this level of resistance. Everybody thinking about the $1 and beyond, but the price went down, unfortunately. So let me just make it a bit smaller and discuss the price action for MULN. Of course, so we got the support at the moment is above the 37. So we have to watch out for the 37 cent for MULN. And of course, the current we got rejected after the breakout from the 44, and we need to hold above the current support here in order to have a try to break the 47 resistance in power hour and going toward the first profit taking around the 58 price level, then the 76 cent. Welcome, Mike. Welcome KT. Hello everybody. Today the market is pretty volatile. We have a drawback for HKD as well, went pretty good down because in the pre-market it was up almost 70%, and when the market opened we opened down, and we discussed this price action as well for HKD around yeah, it was around the 53. So we hit our profit taken, then the price went down. Hi CV, welcome brother. Yeah, it was a pretty volatile day for HKD, and when the market opened we said we have to reverse from this critical support, the 26. So the price reverse right around our support that we did the chart analysis. We're gonna have a reversal and test for the 36 resistance for HKD. And guess what? The price went right toward this level. Let me just go in a smaller picture again to see it clearly, because we just tested in the beginning of the market open. Just few minutes. You see here we have this test for the first red candle to test our support. The next one we got a huge green candle. We reverse perfectly from our support at 26 cent or the $26 price going down. We have a really great hunt after we reverse from this price action. Then of course the price gave up and went to the other support area, which is above the 90. We have to watch out because we're gonna have another reversal. Even if the price go down here, there's a potential for buying the dip and hunt for this perfect support for HKD. The other stock on our list, we got Tesla. Yeah, Tesla, man. Tesla is going down and going up. Look at this chart. I don't like it, you know. It's crazy. It's crazy what's going on with Tesla. The price it pumped. We have many gaps here, gap here, gap here. So I don't suggest to day trade Tesla because it's unpredictable. And the chart doesn't look good to me. There's no clear support, there's no clear breakout zone here on this area. So I will watch for this dip, the 91, for possible loading up for validate below the $1 or the 123 is mean the price will continue to go down. Is pretty soon, just after almost 20 days. So we might see the price continue to go down until this area, the 91 support. And this will be good if we have a good earning for Tesla. So the fundamental and the technical match. And you know, when the technical and the fundamental match, we're gonna get a huge squeeze and reversal. So we have to watch out for the 91 if we don't clear the 123 for Tesla. Next up we got on our list is ZEV, 13% up. We got the volume is not right to me, is almost 2 million. So yeah, 5 cents. What we expect, 50 cents, yeah. So what we expect from this stock is getting near this breakout zone. So we have a mini test for ZEV lighting e-motors, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tests and the price got rejected. However, we got another support or breakout zone to hold for this stock to continue to go higher and break this strong bearish trend. Here with me is the 47 cents. So if we held this current support for this stock, we're gonna continue this bullish momentum that we start doing last year. So this is a great reversal and bull run for this stock, and we're gonna have another bull run if we hold above this support, the 47, and the first breakout and the profit taking should be around 8. First one, I should take my profit around this area. Let me just calculate how much we can do from this breakout. Yeah, not that much. Let me just put it around 61. Yeah, 61 look good profit taking. Yeah, the first one is the 61 for the stock. The other one should be around this area, the 76, and of course the ultimate one is the $1, which is the squeeze area. Big B, salam brother, how are you doing? What we got, let me just bring the other stock. We got Right, we got Square, FFIE, HUDI, WISA, and IRDM. Right, it's been a while last time we talked about it because I don't know, like it's not been trending lately on the Reddit, so that's why the volatility is down for the stock. We see here the most shortest squeeze stock on Reddit. We got the BBY still trending heavily, MULN the second. We got HKD the third, GameStop going up. Where's AMC? We don't see AMC here. Yeah, we don't have AMC here. You see, GameStop is have more attraction right now, and I think some of Ape who holding AMC turning to GameStop on Ape. So we have to watch out for game plan for this year for GameStop. We should put it on our list actually. Let me just go back and check Riot, because there's something about to happen for Riot. It's been a while, as we said last time we did chart analysis for this stock. Let's go in the big picture. We have this trend forming. There's a continuation for this bearish trend if we still trending below the $5.93. So this is the resistance, the current support that will have a first reversal, which is the $2.40. And if we don't hold it, the $1.42 will be the ultimate support reversal area for Riot. And of course, the $9.83 or around the $10 is the breakout zone and entering a bullish run for Riot. Square is still squaring down, nearing this bottom, the 51. We have another bottom for Square if we never overcome the 94. So now here is a accumulation area between the 50 and the 100. So it's a psychological level. If we broke the 50, we're gonna go toward the 34 bottom, where we're gonna have a reversal like what happened here when we reversed for the 51, and the 94 will mark a bullish run until the 140. So I will watch for clear for the 94 to be bullish and square and take my profit around the 144, or just wait to short square and buy it back again around the 34 after we clear or break the 51. And the earning, I think, yeah, we got some time, almost 2 months. FFIE trending down, we have 18 million worth of volume. Oh man, the chart doesn't look good to me. It's free falling since 2 years from the IBO price, the $15, now below the $1. So there's a potential we might get reverse split for the stock because we trending below the $1 for some times right now. So I would be extremely careful from this stock because if we go in the big picture, if you want to day trade it, we have to be extremely careful to get in and get out with our profit. We have a clear breakout zone here around the 40 cents. So the 40 cent would be another breakout zone for this stock to go higher because we're already pumped and squeezed last year, and the price got rejected around the 66. So this stock is pretty volatile and heavily shorted. So we have to be ready to take profit fast after we clear the 40. So after we clear the 40, we got a new level to take profit at, which is around the 56. So the first profit taken should be the 56. The ultimate one is the squeeze area, but I have to take my profit around the 56 before a massive rejection will happen again after break the 40 cents. HKD, 8% down, 1 million worth of volume. What's going on with this one? Yeah, we got kind of bullish trend happening. Oh man, this is big short. Open around the 170 and we went until the 4. Wow, so down. So I know the interest for a lot of traders for the stock because it's been trading before over the 100 and now it's just $5. So there's a potential for squeeze, but I will wait for a reversal from a bottom, which is around the $2.89. If we don't hold the next time this support around the $4.50. So watch out. Here I will open short position for the stock toward the $2 because now we got another rejection. You see another wick around the $7. So the game plan for this stock, either wait to buy around the $2.89 or short the stock when we break the $4.53. And the other scenario is waiting until we clear the $9 breakout zone because the $9 will mark a huge volatility once again toward the $15. WISA. You missed a lot, brother. You missed a lot. You're a bit late. All the requested stock at the moment for the live streaming watch list. So we covered MULN, Tesla, HKD, ZAV, Right, Square, FFIE, and HKD. Now we're gonna cover WIS. Last time we got this requested stock, we talked about this flag and potential breaking from above or down. Now we have some kind of a break from this flag from below, so I would be clear from it right now. It's a bit dangerous because last time we have a bit of wick and the price bounced up. Now we have another test. You see how many tests we have? 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th. So it's about to break, but it's still holding. There's someone buying this stock and keeping it from free falling. So as long as we hold this flag or around the 8 cents, there's a potential for pump again. and the potential will start around this area, the 11 cent. So the 11 will start the squeeze toward the 13 cent and the 22 cent. IRDM, what's going on with this one? Aha, this one squeezed, kind of. It's a bit expensive. My brother really, this one is a bit expensive and light at volume, so can do with it, except by holding or swing trading, because you see it here, we have a huge accumulation, then the price go up, accumulation, price up, so we don't have enough volatility. So this kind of stock is not for day trading, is for swing trading. You have to hold it until you get really good profit. Let me just check. Yeah, at the time being, if we want to trade this one, because it's already jumped and is already expensive, we have to look for continuation for this bullish trend, which is now we have a clear breakout around the 54, and we need to hold the 54 as a support to continue to go higher. This is a really good pattern. This is a really good pattern. So this one might go higher next week and continue to go higher as long as we hold the 54. We might see even the 60 and the 70. Let me just check the live chat section. How everybody doing? Let me just check again. Ravi asked about BVXV. Let me just have a sip of water. The crypto market is kind of sleeping right now, jumping now, but in the big picture we still trending down for cryptocurrency. We got Trust Wallet. Okay. Yeah, we got some altcoin trending a bit up and reverse from the bottom. We got Trust Wallet reverse from the $1.24. I'm still watching it because okay. We got one stock is pumping right now. Let me just bring my Jesus trading list. What's going on? 26% is pumping, guys. It's pumping. It hit our first profit taken, $3.80. Perfect. We did this alert for this stock. Is about to squeeze. Yes, HOLO. We did this chart analysis just before the live streaming. The price was trading around at $3.48, and we did the chart alert for this one because it's about to squeeze, and now is squeezing. The price was around here, the $3.34, now 26%, hitting the first profit taken. There's a potential for this one to jump really high. So yeah, this is a great hunt triggered for the stock. We'll watch it. We might see another pump for it before the market close. Yes, sir. Good day, guys. Even though some stocks is down, we got some good trade. It's all about let the stock come to you, you know. You are welcome, brother. Let me just check crypto. Crypto. Yes, Trust Wallet is kind of gaining back momentum. We have SOLU have a great bounce from the bottom around the $8 and now is still holding, getting near the $15. Yeah, this was a really nice reversal for SOLU. I'm still keeping my eye close for this altcoin. We got Ethereum. It's pumping. This is good. This is really good for Ethereum. Ethereum Classic is pumping 8%. Interesting. Yes, interesting. Really great bounce. We have near USD Tether. It's bouncing again. We got Ape. Let me just check. Yeah, see, we have some kind of reversal for cryptocurrency. However, Bitcoin is still trending down. Bitcoin is still below the 18,000. As we said, the 18,000 is the most important level for Bitcoin to overcome. As you can look here, this ascending channel is dictate the sentiment of the market, because as long as we trading below the 8 down, so I'd be extremely careful about what's gonna happen in the beginning of this year. Everybody knows that Bitcoin usually in February or beginning of this any year we have volatility, like last year. At the end of each year we have volatility as well. So watch out for the coming days or week for another volatility for cryptocurrency. For Gala we got request for Gala. Let me just check. What's gonna happen for this one? Yeah, it's looking good. Elite is looking really good. We have out from the 26 cent and still holding. So there's a potential for continuation for this one toward this profit taking. This is looking pretty nice. Let me just check how much we can do. Yeah, another 7%. No, this is ADA. Oh man. Let me just check the squeeze place. Play. Usually we have a different list here. Now I remember we have to check GameStop. We got HKD in the same list here. Let me just check GameStop. GME. RUM. Let me just check GameStop first. And then check my brother's TV. Both of you commented just on the top of your channel. It's like really funny. Okay, we got this one as well. GameStop, $15.92. Wow. What's going on with this guy? Oh, GameStop is going toward our support, the first support, the $15.20. Confirmed, as we talked about before, a breakout from this flag, confirmed bearish momentum for GameStop. And we got the first dip. So we got a reversal here. We might have a reversal to go toward this level, the 1950 for the next week. Let me just bring my level. Yeah. 1940 would be the second test if we held above the 15. So here we're gonna have a reversal for this level. How much we could make here? Yeah, another 25%. And the bottom, as we discussed it before, is the $10. The $10 is the bottom of all bottom for this year for GameStop. And now this one, rumble. 6% today. Let me just bring this there. Perfect. Yeah, it's been trending heavily down this one. So we got the $6.95 as a resistance, and squeeze area is the $8.76. So the scenario, if we're still trading below this level of resistance, continuation for the price down, like here, you know, the price go up a bit, going down, up a bit, going down. The same scenario, if we go up here and get rejected around the 7, this means we're gonna do a new lower low. So I don't suggest to buy the dip or buy now. I'll have to wait until we have a confirmation for break for the 7. Then we're gonna take our profit near the $8 and $8.70 quick, because we might get rejected there as well. It's pretty kind of risky, you know, because usually new traders try to time the market. Where's the bottom? Try to time the market at the right bottom. And 90% chance usually, either if you got lucky once, you try to do it the next time and you get cut. So never try to buy the dip or know exactly where the dip is, because usually nobody knows, and this is kind of make you chase trade, you know. Oh, sorry, Lynette. Sorry, I didn't see your comment, because you see it here when we go to the live streaming watch list. I didn't put load more comment. I didn't put it, okay? So sorry, I didn't see it. I didn't see your comment. So now I refresh. Now I see another one. So I put Starbucks again for Lynette. Sorry for forgetting your request. I will put it right now. Okay. Starbucks coming right up. Happened. I have to reload the comment. Oh boy. Starbucks 2% today, 5 million. Oh man, what's happening here? Okay, no worries. Starbucks. Okay, Lynette, we got a great reaction for Starbucks around the 96. So this is a confirmation for a bull run coming up for Starbucks. The next test for profit taking is around the 114. So we should take our profit there before any rejection, because there is kind of risky. Yeah, around the 113, 114. And the support to confirm a continuation for this bullish run is holding above the 96. Let me just turn this to red, because the bottom that we reversed from last year, it was around the $67. It was a great bottom to buy Starbucks. Now we did almost 50% in the span of 1 year almost, because we reversed there around May. So yeah, the 114 is like the second profit taken or the first profit taken for Starbucks. Yeah, it look really safe now. Safe trade, easy trade. Another breakout we have here. Interesting, really interesting. Thank you for bringing this up to us. Yes, yes, yes. We might have this reaction going toward the 114 next week. Yeah. Another support we have here, the 104, the near support. So we have a near support here, and this is the support in the big picture. But why Starbucks doesn't fill there? Okay. The other requested stock is for George, IMPP. We got earning coming up for the company. Time to blow up. Yes, George. Yes, George. Thank you for hyping the stock for us. Okay, IMPP. What's going on with this one? What's going on with this one? Yeah. Don't forget to drink your water daily. I drink almost 4 liters a day. What's going on here? What's going on here? Let me just check. We have a free fall, double top around the 47 cent. Okay, so this is the squeeze area for the big picture. We will take time to test this area, so let's go in the smaller picture and worry about the first resistance, which is the 26 cents. If we have a news, if we have something going on with IMPP, like for HKD, when it broke our level of resistance, boom, squeeze happened. We need to have the same reaction for IMPP. Now we have accumulation. What does this mean? There is like a balance between the buyers and the sellers. That's why the price is stopped, continue to go down, and we consolidate sideways. The next reaction that we have to see is going up to test the 26. If we get rejected, I don't suggest to buy because the price will continue to go down. If we broke, this means game on. If we held above the 26, this will be the first signal for squeeze, because we're gonna have huge buying pressure to go toward the 30 cent, then the 33 cent squeeze area. Let me just check how much we can do here. Yeah, 13%, 25%, two profit taking, because we might see a rejection before even the 30 cents. We'll take profit there and there around the 33 cent. And after the 33 cent, of course, this will be a squeeze area and confirmation for a bull run and something going on behind the scene. Because we can control the fundamental, we don't know exactly what's happened behind the stock, but we could get the signal just from the chart with price action. Then we have to take action fast, get in, get out. As we said, the 26 will be mark for change volatility for IMPP. Let me know if that was clear. Really crazy. MULN, it was really great trade for us for the beginning of this year, this week. We have a great reversal, and we got rejected today around the 44 or the 47 cent. It wasn't a good breakout. Now the price is reversing. So now there's a good reaction. The price is holding and a green candle forming. Is this it? We might have a power hour for MULN. This is it, guys. This is it. The 37 is been holding. First time for MULN we have a wick. And the second time we got accumulate. Good reaction, good reaction, good reaction. Someone buying there for this dip. As we said, if we held above the 37 cent, this means game on still above this area of resistance 47 to go toward those profit taking the 58 and the 76 cent. So just watch out. We don't want to have double top and then continue to go down toward the 33 cent. This is a weakness. This is the start for a weakness. I don't like this. And the last support, if we don't want to have a sell-off, is holding above the 33. So this area should hold in the big picture. If we want to go toward the 78 or the $1, this level of support should hold. This area should hold above the 33 cent. Should be the bottom. If we don't want to have another sell-off like happened here, you see the price free falling, man, from the 37 until the 20 cents. So we don't want to have the same reaction. If we held above the 37, is even better. It means we're gonna have like a breakout and squeeze before even the market close. We might see even an after hours squeeze from the 47 cent. Otherwise, a weakness, first sign of weakness, as we said, holding above the 33. It means we accumulate and we take a bit time to retest the 47. Simple, clear as possible. Who's still holding MULN and who got the profit taken that we suggest from 2 days ago? Yeah, it was a really great hunt for us. As we said, if you don't trade or you're not on the charts 24 hours, you have to set limit order. What does mean limit order? It means if you want to buy or you already bought or not trading and watching the chart, you just put sell limit order around the 44. So even you sleep, you go to work, when the price triggered around the 44, your profit will be triggered and you exit from the trade with the profit. And the price when it went down, you actually protected because you don't have to hold because you already sold around the resistance. So always I suggest my hunters to take profit and secure the profit. This is the most important thing in trading. If you want to be green, of course. If you don't want to be green, just hold and wish that the price will go up. Because everything goes now, we're still not completely in bull run and we're still kind of consolidating sideways. Sorry. If you see the SPY is still struggling to break our resistance, the 380. So as we said, the SPY give us some kind of confluence of the market if it's bullish or bearish. And as we spoke about it before, it's still bearish in this trending channel. Yeah, now it's going up 386 and our resistance is the 389. So getting near, it's getting near. So the SPY is doing 2% up. Not bad, man, not bad. Accumulating so many days since last year. So there's something about to happen to the market. Something about to happen to the market. There's one thing, not two. There's just one thing. Either we enter another bearish like trend for the market and a big one, or we enter a bull run and reverse from the bearish trend that we did last year. But just one signal, which is the 430. And we have to break this level first. We have three levels of resistance. The first signal is this level of resistance. The first one, the 389. The second one is this descending channel. And the third one, the strongest one, to give us a signal for bull run is the 430. So let us worry just now about the 389. Because if we clear it, we're going to have a huge volatility for the whole market, beginning for a bull run. And the other scenario, as we said, if we get rejected, is mean continuation down. 360. After that, this box would be filled like 90% chance around the 339 and 320. So yeah, it will be a huge bearish trend continuation for the market. But this is what the chart tell us, you know, we have to be ready either way. Of course, Luis, we cover all the requested stock, and you were first. Of course, we covered MULN for our hunters on Patreon, because we have watch lists each Friday before the market open to cover all the requested stock on our hunter on Patreon that been requested for us. So MULN, we discussed it first, Luis, then Tesla, HKD. Of course, then we discuss your 5 stocks in the beginning of our live streaming. Then we cover elite stocks, then Lynette, then George. So if you go back to the live streaming and rewatch our live streaming after we finish streaming, you can watch your stock at the beginning of the live streaming. So it will be a pretty Fed meeting. Yeah. Oh man, this is it, George. That's why we have anticipation for the market. Thank you for the heads up, man, because the SPY is clearly for anticipation mode. You see here accumulation just right below our resistance, and of course before the Fed meeting and beginning of the next month. And guess what? We just have few weeks, just 3 weeks, I think. Yeah, 3 weeks before that. That's why the market is anticipating. Everybody, short seller, buyers, anticipating for what's gonna happen for the Fed meeting. Because this is, will give us like a clear indication where the direction will be. And I think it will be easy short or easy you either you short or you long just by watching the SPY. Will give us a bit of direction. Now is still we don't have confirmation yet. Whoa, we got some stock got sold off. Thank you for bringing this up, Luis. We might see a nice dip for this one. PRTY, Party City, doing party in hell. This one is going down to hell. It's been pumping. Everybody just know the stock has been pumping last 2 years, I think, but it started to get shorted the last year. Now is around the 16 cent. Wow, 53% down. Oh, mama mia, man, what's going on, man? So we have a clear short from the $1 and another short from the 30 cent. Now 16 cents. Oh man, I will not touch this one. I will never buy the dip. It's really risky. Yeah, it's ouch. If you bought this one, is crazy, man. Yeah, so I will be watching this one if we clear the 30 cent next time. But now I will not buy anything. And even I can't short because it's already dipped hard. You know, we might see a big pullback, you know. So I don't suggest even shorting the stock now because we're already down 50%. Oh man. So BBBY is got bankrupt. So this is official, George. Oh man, this stock have a huge potential, but now is off. Another stock got sold off today. We have PRTY 50% and BBBY got shorted. Got shorted, man. The $4.48. See it clearly. This is exit strategy. That's why we suggest never hold, man. You have to take profit and exit. So the $4.48 was an exit, and this is the the last chance for squeeze. You see what happened here? Around last year, July, we got a huge squeeze for BBBY. Yeah, almost 500% for BBY trade around this level, the 28. And then, boom, parabolically down. Bless the like button and the way in. Welcome Goku, welcome brother. Wow, man. Luis, I think mini stock will do the same. There's mini stock will get bankrupt, you know. So we have to be extremely careful. Never hold any stock overnight. This is really dangerous, guys. Of course, we gonna get M18 in a bit. Let me just check. Welcome, Adam. Welcome. Yes, George, we covered GameStop. Hopefully you saw it. We said that there's a bottom has been visited now. I will bring it reversing from our bottom, the $15. So yeah, the $15 kind of support now for GameStop. As we said, the 15.20 we should have a reversal until the 20. And the other one, MAT, we got a request from our hunter here, Shang Tu Chang. Hopefully I pronounce your name right. I don't know, is it Chinese or Korean? Raymond, Holo, spiking 32%. Yes, guys, this is a great trade for us. 26%. Oh man, it's bumping, it's bumping, it's bumping. Yes, squeeze alert for this one. We did a squeeze alert for this stock just before the live streaming started, and look what's going on. This one is squeezing. We did it before the live streaming. The price was around the $3, I believe, $3.48. Yeah, the $3.48, and we said the $3.83, the first profit taken, $4.85, the second profit taken, and guess what? Now $4.23. We're going toward the third or the second profit taken. Yes, man. Yes. 41%. It was here, man. It was around this support, the $3, and it held perfectly our support, the $3. So yeah, it was perfect around the $3. Yeah, crazy stock. It's crazy stock. I think it's gonna go toward the $4.88 before the market close. Yes, it's easy, and we might do another. Let me just check. Another 13%. Yes, perfect. Okay, let's go. For Tide as well, because it's been requested on our hunters and Patreon, and the price reversed and went higher from the bottom that we discussed. Let me just check. Blah. Let me just check something. So for Tide, we got this bottom around the 25 cent. We talked about it today, I think, on our pre-market update. I think we covered it today. HKD, MULN. I don't know, like Tide, if we covered it today or not. Yeah, we covered it today and requested stock. And it was a great hunt because it's been requested from us, from our hunter. So we have Tide, we have MAT, as discussed MAT, we discuss mini stock for today. So yeah, we got this bottom around the 25 cent, and we said there's a resistance will happen around the 37. That's why we suggest to take profit there. And we did how much? Yeah, 38% for Tide. What's going on here? Perfect. Let me just bring MAT. And check Holo. What's going on with this one? 38 went down a bit. Yeah, I think it will pump $4.88 at least. $4.88 at least. Tide MAT 1 million. The volume. Hazam and Shang to Shang as about MAT. We got many requests for MAT. What's going on, guys? What's going on? Okay, so MAT, the $1.24 is potential resistance. That's why we have accumulation below it. Any price break the $1.24, we're gonna have a volatility to go higher. And where we're gonna go? Of course, below the $2.28. We're gonna have a test there where we should take our profit if we initiate this trade around the $1.24. Let me just check how much we can do there. Yeah, almost 30%. This is a really good trade. Otherwise, the price will go there. Simple as possible. Let me just check. Boom, boom, boom. There. The 77 cent and 80 cent. This would be a great bottom for MAT if we don't overcome the $1.24. Hello, Antonio or Tony Pasha. Welcome, brother. Plus the like button and the way in. And remember, we do always pre-market update watch list stock before the market open. And we always hunt for stock that have potential to squeeze. So we already did the chart analysis for MULN around this bottom. It was a really great hunt for us. And of course, we took a profit before the rejection around the 44. HKD, we get a great hunt for today when the market opened. After this sell-off, the bounce was around the 26 and 23, so this is what's the dip to buy, and we sold around the $36. Great hunt. And the other one, this is one really crazy stock, Holo, which is a squeeze alert that we did before the live streaming. And the entry point was around the $3, profit taken $3.83, $4.85, which is gonna hit right now before the market close. Now around the $4.17, doing 39%, jumping from this squeeze area as just spotted around the $3.09. It was a great hunt for us because it was a bit light in volume. So it's a bit risky, but yeah, for those kind of stocks, you have to risk a bit of money, not a lot, because usually we could make huge percentage. Like, come on, in just a few hours, we did almost 40%. You can't have this with blue chip company. Like, you have to wait 1 year. So for this kind of stock, you have to be wise. You enter, tight stop loss, get in, get out on profit taking, and never feel FOMO or greedy. Profit is always good, okay? So yeah, I'm watching this one for the second profit taken. We should take around the $4.88 before the market close. Then the $6.13. And this is doable for the stock. We might see a gap. Now is the volume is around the 500K. It would be really great if we saw the 1 million before the closing of the market. This would be a really great for close for the stock. And again, don't suggest to hold the stock overnight. Everything can goes with the stock. We might see a gap down for Monday. So don't feel greedy and hold. Control what's gonna happen when the market closes. News gonna happen. I don't know, like new regulation, something like happen, new COVID and asteroid strike Earth. You can't control what's gonna happen in the long weekend and the Saturday and Sunday. So that's why I don't suggest for my hunter to hold. Unless you want to swing trade the stock, of course. Good, Antonio. Hopefully you have a green day today. Villy, we already did the MULN chart analysis in the beginning of our live streaming. Let me just check very quick. HKD still holding the support as we said before, the $19. Let me just do another round check for MULN before we round up our live streaming. 7 p.m. CET, and we do live we do chart analysis, or even let me just check, we do watch list live streaming. And why we do that? Because we prepare before the live streaming. We cover the requested stock is being covered on our Patreon first, because we got a lot of requested stock on our YouTube. So that's why we do live streaming watch list before the live streaming, which is 7 p.m. CET each Friday. Let me just check because we got so many people ask about Patreon, ask about MULN. Where's MULN? Aha, we forgot Ape. Ape is doing kind of good. Still holding above this ascending line. There's something about to happen. Before we close, before we end our live streaming, we have to discuss Ape, because there's something about to happen. We have this crazy flag is about to, something about to happen. Something, someone keeping price of Ape holding above this ascending line. So the game plan for Ape for the next week, if we have a pre-market gap over the $1.64, is mean game on for Ape to continue to go higher toward the $2, $2.82, and the $3.96. We're gonna have a squeeze. Otherwise, if we broke this ascending line, is mean we're not ready yet, and we're gonna fill the gap. Simple as that. MULN. Let me just bring MULN, 6% down, 39 cents. We got shorted when the market opened. Now we're still holding the current support. Red candle forming now. I would be really, what's gonna happen? We're still holding, it's good. The 37 is current support. As we said, the 33 should be the bottom and never go below it, because after the 33 would be a sell-off. Like what happened here before, if you remember last year when we tested the 33 or the 37 and we got sold off. We don't have any support. Now we have a great shape for MULN, parabolic price action up, you see here. So this is normal that we're gonna have a consolidation phase. Market is going up without any consolidation. So if we broke the 37, don't panic, is mean there's a price, we're gonna have a consolidation area. As long as we hold the 33, is mean we're gonna consolidate sideways. You see, we enter another bearish trend for MULN if we did this around the 26. But as long as we hold the 33, is mean we accumulate for another pump toward the 58 and the 77 cent. This price action might happen in after hours or next week. So watch out for this. And again, if you have any question regarding Patreon or Discord and how to join, never reply to anybody in the comment section, because there's some people or scammers pretend that is me and ask for favor or ask for money or personal. So the only thing to contact me is toward with my email, or if you join our Patreon or Discord, where we could actually connect live and fast. If you have any question regarding stock, of live meeting, everything, we can actually connect toward Discord or Patreon or with my email address. Other than that, just report YouTube and never reply back for those scammers. Try to report to YouTube, but they keep coming because they are bot. You know, I delete the happening again. So the best case, the best thing is to educate our viewers and our hunters here, and try to report and help me out, because I can't delete all the comment of the bot and the spammers. And thank you for the help as well. And please like the comments in section below if you have any question. Okay, and remember, each Friday at 7 p.m. for this live streaming. Try to stay tuned for the next Friday, where we're gonna do another live streaming. Yes, MULN is still holding. MULN is still holding. Let me just check Holo. Yes, it's trading. Boom. This one is still bumping. Still holding. I think it's halted up maybe. Yeah, around the 39%. Sunday, of course, we're gonna do a video for the other stocks that have potential to squeeze on Monday. We're gonna prepare before the market open each Monday or each Sunday at 8 p.m. CET. And we're gonna cover as well cryptos. As we said, there is something about to happen and the price accumulation for cryptocurrency. So there is a potential to buy the dip or the breakout zone for all the altcoin that have on my watch list. So stay tuned for those two videos that we're gonna do on Sunday, and hopefully you have a great weekend and a green year for this year. So see you in the next update.